This is the AOTOS E3 scooter that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. If you're looking for a fun to ride, comfortable city commuter, stick around because I got a lot to show you about this scooter. Let's jump right into it. So let's look at the scooter kind of from the top down, starting with the handlebars up here. These are very comfortable grips. The handlebars are nice and wide. The display is easy to read. You got your miles per hour, your gear, battery percentage, whether your headlight is on or not. It's got a bell up here, very ergonomic brake lever. It does have a headlight and tail light. So you got a headlight there, tail light there. The tail light actually works when you hit the brake. The stem is nice and stout. Down here you got your latch. This is a very strong latch here to fold it over. You've got front suspension, 12-inch tubeless tires. Now the frame is very sturdy. That tube kind of runs all the way around and wraps around and comes back up. So this is a very sturdy frame. You got a very nice foot pad here. This is a rubber pad to ride on. Makes for a very comfortable ride. You've got a 12-inch rear tire that's also tubeless, 650-watt motor back there. It does have rear shock as well. So that 650-watt motor is definitely going to push you up to the 20 miles an hour on flat ground. Depending on your weight, I'm 6 foot, 220 pounds. And going up a steeper hill, it struggles, but on flat ground and a slight hill, it definitely gets me where I need to go. You got turn signals on here, so the turn signals are visible from both the front and the back. That's the right side over there. It's got a thumb throttle, very easy to use, very comfortable to use when you're riding along. Now guys, I've been riding this around for a couple of weeks now, got some good experience on it, and I've been super impressed with the scooter. You know, because of the deck height, riding around in the city, you're going to be able to go over speed bumps, you're going to be able to go over curbs. The ride is smooth as glass. I mean, it absorbs all of the road, so it's super comfortable to ride. It does have an app, so with the app, you can park this here, you can actually set the alarm, and when you lock it, it actually locks up the rear wheel, so you really can't push it. So that is at least a little bit of safety for you, but you know, obviously you probably want to lock it up if you're going to be leaving it long term. All in all, guys, I'm super happy with the scooter. It's very fun to ride, very comfortable to ride, and definitely suitable for, you know, getting around in the city. Hope this helps.